How to send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see if we can send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger or not. So to find out, let's get started. First up, open up the Messenger application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Here, sending an anonymous message via Facebook Messenger is not a built-in feature, as Messenger is designed to show your name and profile picture to recipients. However, there are some workarounds if you want to message someone anonymously while respecting their privacy. So, for that, you can create another second anonymous Facebook account. For that, you can simply log out of this Messenger account, tap on the three dot icon or three line icon from the top left corner, tap on the settings icon. Here, scroll all the way down and then tap on switch account. Now you can tap on add account and then create your new account or create a new Facebook account with a random name or anonymous name, and after that log in with that account in Messenger, and then you can send a message via Facebook Messenger with your random username. So that's the only way if you wish to send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.